It's time for king and pawn versus king magic. This is the Endgame series, a series in which I explain all the endgames in increasing difficulty. Also, according to YouTube statistics, only a small percentage of people who watch my videos are actually subscribed. So if you end up liking this video, consider subscribing. It's free and you can always unsubscribe. Enjoy the video. Step 1. This position with the king on the 6th rank is a magical position. It does not matter who is to move. Let's start with white to move. Whatever way white chooses, we go the other way. If white goes to c1, we go to e2 and we promote our pawn. If white goes to e1, we go to c2 and we promote our pawn just like this. If you don't know how to win this with black, watch this video here. Black can either go here or here. It doesn't really matter. Let's say king to e3 and now we can just promote our pawn. It's like magic. It always works. After king to e1, d3, king to d1 and d2, together they control all of the squares around the king. Except for this one. The king has to go to c2, but we can't promote yet. After pawn to d1 check, white can just take the queen with his king. Instead, we should play the move king to e2, protecting the promotion square. After king to b1, we can safely promote. This trick always works if it's a queen, a king, or a bishop pawn. If it is a knight or a rook pawn, it is different. Step 2. In this position, it actually matters what square you choose with black. White plays the move king to a2. If in this position you would play the move b3, after king to a1, this is a dead draw. There is no move in this position that works for black. King to c2 is stalemate. Pawn to b2, king to b1, and king to b3 is stalemate as well. And if black goes to c4 or b4, we play king to b2. As we saw in that video. If you made the mistake of playing king to c3 and your opponent plays the move king to a2, luckily for you, there's a way out of this. You don't play the move b3, but you play the move king to c2, and after king to a1, king to b3, and king to b1, we are back in the starting position. The only way to win this position is by playing the move king to a3. This is some type of magical position as well. We just want to promote and this always works. Let's say king to a1, b3, king to b1, b2. All the pawns around the king are protected except for this one. After king to c2, we play king to a2 and we can safely promote after the moves king to d2 and b1 queen. Step 3. If the pawn is on a rook square, it is a dead draw. There is no possible way for black to win this position. To illustrate this, I will show you this position from the white perspective. As white, you can just chill here in the corner and black will never be able to promote. Let's say king to b3, we play the move king to b1, a3, king to a1. If black goes back, we just keep shuffling around here. And if he plays the move a2, this is stalemate. I hope you enjoyed this video and I hope to see you in my next one. Bye.